If you need more power than the typical 13-inch Ultrabook can support, Lenovo's new mobile workstations could be the answer. The ThinkPad P1 looks like a 15-inch Ultrabook, 0.7 inches thick and less than 4 pounds, but inside it has a mobile Xeon processor, up to 64 GB of ECC RAM, and up to 4 TB of SSD storage. A discrete GPU, up to Nvidia Quadro P2000, units that show 1920x1080 nit, 72% of NTSC or 3840x2160 nit of 10 bits per channel that support 100% of the Adobe color gamut and touch, has a good port selection, 2 Thunderbolt 3 USB Type-C, 2 USB 3.1 Generation 1 Type-A, HDMI 2.0, mini-gigabit Ethernet with a small dongle, 3.5mm headset and microSD, and has 802.11 AC and Bluetooth 5. The battery is substantially 80 Wh. If that is not enough, if you really have to run dozens of virtual machines while traveling, or if you need to work with huge 3D models, then the P72 may be of interest to you. This hits the screen up to 17 inches, although otherwise the same specifications as in the P1, the weight of up to 7.5 pounds, and the thickness of up to 1 inch. But the specification of the GPU goes up to the Quadro P5200, the memory rises to a monstrous 128 GB of ECC, and the internal storage reaches a maximum of 6 TB, with an octane accelerator of 16 GB. Connectivity is better than P1 too. There is a Type-A port of USB 3.1 Generation 1, the Ethernet port is full size, and there is also a mini port DisplayPort 1.4. The battery is larger too, at 99 Wh.